In this video, I'll go over how to do a pre-qualify check with Chase Freedom. So to pre-qualify for a Chase Freedom credit card, you can use the online pre-qualification tool on the Chase website. So here's how you can check if you pre-qualify for the Chase Freedom card. First, visit the Chase website and navigate to the credit card section and look for the option to check for pre-qualification or pre-approval for a credit card. This may be under a tab labeled Check for Offers or Pre-qualify for a card. Then enter the required information such as your name, address, income and social security number and submit the form and wait for the results. The pre-qualification process is usually quick and will provide you with a list of credit cards you may be eligible for, including the Chase Freedom card. Please note that pre-qualification does not guarantee approval for a credit card. If you receive a pre-qualification offer for the Chase Freedom card, you can then proceed with submitting a formal application for the card to receive a decision on approval. So now you know how to do a pre-qualified check with a Chase Freedom card. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.